Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, we will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. Here we search about Yazio app. And then if you find update here, you can you can update your app if you find update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.